Underwood SS model. This is the biggest typewriter I have because the platen is 27-inch. See, 27 something, right? Yeah, that's the before the serial number. There is a 27, right? That's the platen size. It was manufactured in 1951 or 1952 because I couldn't find the exactly same one, but closed one is a 1951, another one is a 1952. So from here to here, the platen size is 27 inches. Normally we can easily find a 26-inch platen typewriter. I have the Irish brother, someone I saw the loyal, yeah. But today morning I asked what is the widest platen typewriter in the world. Someone mentioned the Olympia SG they made, and then they sold 34 inches. So maybe that is for the real use, the widest platen typewriter, 34 inches. And then maybe around 30, I don't know, but this one is a 27. That means a huge. Yesterday I reviewed the Olympia SG3. Yeah, this typewriter from the same family. This one's previous owner is Army, as when he was young, and then in the Army his job is like a journalist, and then he gave this to his daughter. His daughter was a teacher, the elementary school teacher, so they use this one together some certain period. So I got this one maybe 1 year ago from the Baltimore, Maryland. When I bought this keycap was missing, so that's why I borrow from the another one. So it's A but it's Y. So that's why she gave me a $20 discount because this key missing. And then this space bar doesn't work properly, so I fix it because I have another one exactly same, but the platen size is a 21 platen. So I open the behind this part, and then I adjust a little bit screw, and then after that it was start work. And then there are this one screw missing, and then I think when you try to take off this part to clean, I damaged the one screw half part this side, but it's still okay. Except that I think everything work, everything original. So it's not common because it's too big. It's really huge, right? Normally this typewriter was used for the journal, like a journal, or the newspaper company or legal department, something like that, because huge. So I heard about some map maker. They use also this typewriter. So everything work as it should. For tap step here, and then move back to, and then push the tap key. Then that area it will be stopped. See, and then we can clear the tap. Then this time it will pass. Another tap, clear tap, and then it will stop. Oh, it will pass. The steel bell works good. See, even though it is huge, but the function is exactly same with the standard Underwood SS. So yeah, pretty much. Let's see some sample typing. Okay. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.